As I was walking around, I was just reminded I needed to tell you guys the sheet you got with all the facts from Unit 2. Remember, that's it. No, that's not allowed on Thursday's quiz. So halves of equal quantities, supplements of congruent angles are congruent, subtraction, addition, you won't have that sheet with you because that's all your responsibility now. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, here we go. Again, I'm only going to do a few of these, and I'll let you go on your own. This is everything we've done so far. So in this first set of questions here, starting with number 1, I'm telling you BA and CD are parallel. In return, I want to know what two angles are congruent. Okay, and please keep to the numbered angles. All right, don't add in your own letters or anything like that. If you knew BA was parallel to CD, a pair of angles now become congruent up here. What are those angles? And they better be connected by the same transversal and these two parallel lines. Okay, so again, if you got to highlight them, whatever you need to do. So I got BA, CD. I need two angles formed by those parallel lines and a single transversal. So I'll give you guys a second, take a look at it before I ask somebody what two angles are now congruent up here. And again, the two angles you guys give me should be formed by those parallel lines. So I'm already eliminating a couple of them already up there because they're not formed by those two parallel lines. All right, let's open it up. Here we go. Ready? Guess not. 6. Any ideas? Angle 2 and angle 3. We got a good pair of congruent angles. Angle 2 and angle 3 are indeed congruent. Now I need a justification. Because even if it's an algebra problem on Thursday's quiz, I'm going to ask, why'd you set up that equation? What theorem or fact had you do that? 1, what type of angles are those? Alternate interior. Okay, so how would I start this reason? Perfect. Parallel lines, because that's what I was given, imply what type of angles again? Alternate interior angles congruent. 3 and 1 are all 3 and 2 are alternate interior. Did anybody think of any others? Because if you did, you may want to keep them to yourself. Throwing that out there. Anything else? Okay, because those were the only two that were congruent on that diagram. So, all right, I'll do 2 with you as well. AB is parallel to CD. Give me a pair of angles that should be congruent. Now, I don't care about the supplementary ones. That's coming up later. I care about the congruent ones right now. And we list all pairs. Numbered pairs, please. Don't give me E or F here. Numbered angles only. What? Any that you think exist.
Numbers only?
Numbers only, yes. Stick to the numbered angles. Don't bust out angle F or angle E. Just stick to the numbered angles. All right, any pair that you know are congruent up here. 12, any pair.
1 and 3.
I like it. They are congruent, 1 and 3. Back them up now. Back them up. Be a good classmate. Back them up. 8. What type of angles are 1 and 3?
Parallel lines and corresponding.
There you go. Go. You can say it, brother. Go ahead.
Parallel lines imply corresponding angles are.
There we go. Parallel lines imply corresponding angles congruent. I'm not done. We're not done. There's more. Come on. Feed the beast. 22.
Angle 1 is congruent to angle 4.
Oh. Angle 1 and angle 4 are congruent, Dylan says. He is correct. Why is he correct? 25. No. 15. Why is he correct? Darn right they are. Parallel lines imply alternate exterior angles congruent. No, we're not done. Yeah, we're not done. Don't focus on the parallel lines. Don't focus on the parallel lines. 19.
Angle 3 is congruent to angle 4.
Got it. 3 is congruent to 4 because 27. Great job. 29, even better. Oh, we do have a 29. What do we got?
Parallel lines imply vertical angles.
I don't need parallel lines though.
Vertical angles.
Vertical angles are congruent. Okay, nice job, kids. Any questions there? All right, I want to do one more with you, and that is if I give you the angles now. So if you guys can go to number 7, A and B for me. If I give you the angles, which lines are parallel now? Little what we did on Friday. And my suggestion on Friday was highlight the angles I give you so you can see if they have a line in common or not. So reviewing what we did on Friday, I have angle 1, big highlight on angle 1, and big highlight on angle 4. First thing I ask myself, do they have a line in common? Yes, that would be line what here? CD. There's your transversal, which would make the other 2 lines the parallel lines. So which 2 up here are parallel? Oh, 2. What do you got for me? AE and BF. I like it. They're almost rays, huh? AE parallel to BF. Now I need to know from somebody else what type of angles were 1 and 4. 5. What type of angles were 1 and 4? Alternate exterior. So now I start this off by saying not parallel lines, but alternate exterior angles. And this is what a lot of kids forget. I need them congruent to have parallel lines. Boom. All right, now I go 2 and 5 on you. What if 2 and 5 are congruent? Do those give me any parallel lines? Big highlight, 2, 5. Do they have any lines in common? Are they formed by a common line? What, name it? BF. There's your transversal. Transversal, meaning the other 2 are your parallel lines. So what are my parallel lines up here? Guys are on fire today. 11. AB and CD. What type of lines did I give you? Oh, 15. 2 and 5 are? Good job. Got your Chromebooks on you? Let's get them out. If you need a charger, there's 2 up there if you need a charger for whatever reason.
Everyone knows that video. Jesse, bro. You know the video where it's like the army girl yelling at the camera on TikTok? No. That's they talking about how you don't watch. Eric, you know that video?
Get to our class webpage, please, on Aspen.
You know that video?
Let's stretch all the way.
Go to, once you're on our class website on Aspen, go to the Unit 3 folder, Homework Answers. Open up the week of October 14th, and you will see October 15th class answers, hopefully. Those are the answers to what you and your group are about to do right there. Okay? If you end up writing something down that's not on my answer key, let me know. All right, let me know. It might still be right. I'll take a look at it. Okay, and that's what you guys have going for the next 11 minutes here. It is, if you don't finish, it's not homework. It's good review for the quiz, though. You guys have homework out of the textbook, though. All right, so don't feel like you need to finish it for homework, because that is not the case. But get going on what you can work on in your group. Please don't move around.